Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be making a DIY jewelry organizer. Now this DIY was suggested to me quite a while ago by one of my good friends here on YouTube, Ives and Beauty. So I do apologize that it's taken me so long to get to this DIY, but it is happening today, so that's pretty exciting. So let me go over these supplies with you. I have here a little canvas. It's 8 by 10. And I picked this one up from Dollarama, I believe. I also have a ruler, some push pins, a pencil, black marker, a paintbrush, a palette knife. Over here I have some acrylic paints. This brand is pretty affordable. I believe I picked these ones up from Walmart. But you can also get smaller bottles from the dollar store. I also have some crafting paints. This is a iridescent glitter, and this is a gold metallic paint. Then this one here is Mod Podge in a gloss finish. And lastly, I just have a spray bottle filled with water. So that's it for these supplies. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so this is the finished canvas jewelry organizer. Let me just get a little bit closer here. So yeah, so the earrings actually fit really nicely in those little holes I punctured with the push pin. And my necklaces and bracelets, they hang nicely from the push pins themselves. So yeah, so I'm really happy that this is very functional and it actually works. Overall, it's a little bit simple looking for my liking. I did add the little quote there on the top just to add a little something something, I don't know, some motivation for when I'm getting ready. But yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions for DIYs you want me to try, you can leave them down in the comments. I will try my best to get to them in a timely manner. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.